Hey there, Sydney Brown here. It is time for the writing top tip of the day. So right now we're going to talk about excessive dialogue tags. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you may not do it wrong, but let's just make sure just in case. Have you ever read something where you're reading it and there it says he whispered demurely or she sighed heavily or something like that. Now, it's good to be descriptive at times, but at all the time not so much. You want to avoid excessive use of the dialogue tags. Use them when necessary to actually to enhance the visual, but you don't want to necessarily distract your reader by them because they need to really be focused in on the dialogue, the conversation. That's what matters. So don't worry about it. Just use said. Said's an okay word. Now, every now and then it will benefit you to use a more descriptive word. Don't be afraid to get descriptive, but don't live in that description. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe.